Hey guys, jumping on to show you how easy it is to make a holiday DIY body scrub, sugar scrub. Whoops. We hope you got the ingredients. We hope you got you saw the instructions earlier today, but really it's so simple that you don't need anything complex. So let me walk you through it. This would make a great gift for yourself or a family member or a teacher or a colleague. Anyone who needs a little pampering, anyone who likes to take good care of their skin, especially in the winter as we face dry skin. But this recipe is also great for spring, summer, fall, all the seasons, because exfoliating our skin is healthy for our skin. Okay, so I've already melted the coconut oil. So this was hard coconut oil. I just get the Costco big tub of extra virgin coconut oil and I scooped it out from there. I don't own a microwave, so I just put this bowl in the sink with some hot water to make it more liquid. Now I've doubled the recipe here because I'm gonna make a bunch of these tonight. I was waiting to show you guys, but basically we're looking at 1 cup of hard coconut oil melted, okay? Then the next thing we are going to do is we're going to take our sugar, okay? It's half a cup. I doubled the recipe for this, so this is 1 cup. You can use any kind of sugar you want. You can use white sugar, you can use raw organic sugar, you can use turbinino, how do you say that? Anyway, that more coarse sugar, whatever texture you want. And then you want Epsom salt or Himalayan pink salt or even just table salt. I like the Epsom salt because it's a coarser grain, so we're getting a coarse grain with the Epsom salt and a more fine grain with the raw sugar. So again, I doubled the recipe, so this is 1 cup of that. And then you need a 1/4 cup, doubled, half a cup of fractionated coconut oil. So you're gonna get the hard coconut oil and the liquid coconut oil. That's gonna give us a good texture and great absorption for the skin. A little tip on Epsom salt for you. Make sure you buy them. You don't get any with fragrance in them. That's really bad for you. As you know, that's why you're here on this page, enjoying your essential oils. I grabbed a 50-pound bag of Epsom salt at a massage supply store for like super cheap compared to buying a kilo at a time. So now all we're going to do is we're gonna mix these together. That's how easy this is. I'm gonna put in my sugar. It's a fine grain. I'm gonna put in my Epsom salt. This is a coarse grain. I'm gonna put in my fractionated coconut oil, provide the liquid. And then I've got a giant bowl here. I'm gonna mix them together till they're well mixed. And then I'm gonna add my essential oils. All right, so just like with the Epsom salt that Yolanda did yesterday, you can create any combination you want. Look for something relaxing. You might use Serenity, you might use Adaptive. If you want something more invigorating, tonight I'm gonna put in here peppermint and grapefruit. In the recipe I said wild orange, but I'm gonna do grapefruit because it's good for your skin. If you want something warming for the body in the winter, maybe you're gonna try ginger and wood oil. So you get to choose what you want to put in. So you can adjust the essential oils based on what you want. In the recipe I said 10 drops of peppermint, so I'm gonna do 20. This is gonna take a while. If you have any questions, please let me know. Da, 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 da. Hey guys, thanks for jumping on. And then I'm gonna use, it would be 5 grapefruit or 5 wild orange. I'm gonna do 10, because again, I'm doubling. It doesn't have to be rocket science. If you get an extra drop, that's okay. And I'm gonna add a couple drops of Holiday Joy because I wanna make this a little more festive too. And that's all you're gonna do. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells amazing. Whew. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put in a mason jar or something with a lid so that you can have it in the shower or the bathroom. I do recommend filling the mixture in here first and then putting your label on, because if you get a little coconut oil on the side, then your label's not gonna stick. So this is an example, and this is also an example which, oh, it dried, but I had a little bit of coconut oil in the label. You can get waterproof labels as well through Staples, etc. So right now it's still liquid form. You do want it to cool and harden a little bit. That's gonna let it stick inside or clump together better so you can put it in your jar. You may consider using a little a little wooden spoon or a little, giving them something with their gift so that they can scoop it out so that they're not reaching in with their hands all the time. You may consider a wider mouth opening than just a mason jar like this. There are lots of great options at the dollar stores and whatnot. And then add it in with some of the other options. So your scrubs, your bath salts, your foaming hand soap that we're gonna do on Friday that I'm gonna show you, and make a nice little self-care package. This could also be for someone who's just not feeling great or who's lonely over the holidays. So if you have a combination that you love in a sugar scrub or a body scrub, make sure you share it with us below, share it with others. If you wanna turn this recipe into like a lip scrub or more of a facial scrub, I would just use sugar and salt, or just sugar, not the coarser stuff, because we want to make sure that we're taking good care of our facial skin and we're more sensitive there. Okay, but you can make little pots of it for in a lip balm type container that you can get at the dollar store, and people can use them as a lip scrub too, and they can eat it if they want. I don't know why they would, but they could. So it's really that easy to make a holiday or an anytime body scrub, sugar scrub. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight, and stay tuned for the rest of the week where we're gonna walk you through even more recipes.